Autotrends today I am going to unbox Autotrends combo with car rear view kit and TFT LCD monitor with car reversing camera, so there are two boxes, monitor and camera. Let's unbox first monitor.
Now, first there is on this is security TFT monitor and vehicle security and camera, and there are two models 3.5 inch and 4.3 inch. This is a 4.3. On opening there is monitor. And it is having two video inputs and one power supply input. And this monitor is rotatable. And there is one power cable for giving power supply. There are only monitor and power cable. Let's keep this aside and unbox camera. Specifications: TFT LED color monitor, 2 video inputs, rear view and priority video system, NTSC PAL power supply, DC 12V plus 10% operation temperature, 20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. And there are some highlights: waterproof and dustproof, high definition night vision wide angle. This is of color camera, and it is of HD camera. After opening there is one video cable, power cable, and camera, which is having one video input and power input. And there is one small box. It is for making hole, and its size is 18.5 centimeters.